There is only one formula you need to know for any question that asks for a percentage loss, a percentage increase, a percentage decrease, a percentage change. All of these have the same formula. So make sure you learn it. We're working out the difference between the two values, divide it by the original and times it by 100. So in this question here, a car was purchased for 24,000. After 2 years, its value was 15,500. What is the percentage loss? So to calculate the difference, we're subtracting them, working out how much it's changed by. So 24,000 subtract 15,500. Once you've got that, we need to divide it by the original. That's the first price that it was purchased for, the 24,000. And finally, we then multiply it by 100. Pop that into your calculator. And we get the percentage loss of 35.4% to one decimal place. Just remember, this formula can be used for percentage change, percentage loss, percentage increase, percentage decrease, or percentage reduction. Any of those phrases, this works.